Long hair FUE is all of a sudden becoming popular. Why is that? Hi, I'm Dr. Danyo from North Atlanta Hair Restoration, and we perform long hair FUE here in this office. It's popular because it provides the highest degree of accuracy, a preview of what your long-term results are going to be, and maximal concealment that a procedure was even completed. Long hair FUE means that we're taking individual follicles from the back and sides of the head and moving that into the balding area. And this is important because if you look at a hair follicle, there's actually an arc to it. And if you think of an arc like a periscope on a submarine, you want that arc to actually be flowing similar to a waterfall flowing down past rocks. For men, in the front, we want the hair to actually come forward unless there's a major calic where we have to do some kind of deviation. And as it goes to the side, we want it cascading away. So using that arc and using angle control with placement, we are able to place these hairs in the most accurate way possible. The other thing is we can build density and actually work with the patient. A lot of times during the procedure, we have our patients hold up a mirror to see what we're actually doing and creating. We work together to form the density and create the hairline and the look that people desire. There's a preview of what the final results are going to be. And I say preview because there is a natural proclivity for these hair follicles, once we move them, to have the hair within the follicle shed. It's just a natural occurrence after hair transplantation. But having the preview, knowing what the final results are going to be in the most accurate way, it gets people excited for the future. And it creates such a different experience than having your head totally shaved. Keep in mind that most clinics in the United States and across the world either shave the donor site or shave the entire head. Walking out from your hair transplantation with near final results, it's unbelievable. Concealment for hair transplantation is vital. Maximal concealment for our patients is key. They just don't want people to know. So what the long hair FUE procedure does is, for one, it conceals that the donor site was actually extracted from, because we're taking a small portion of hair from the back and sides of the head, and the rest of the hair is kept long. Secondly, the concealment in the recipient or balding area is significant because we're actually taking a hair, placing it in a natural distribution so that a natural look is created immediately. We've created a situation, and I call this the art of concealment. You could have a procedure done and literally possibly go out with friends that night and they would be saying, "Man, you look good." So if you're interested in long hair FUE, give us a call at 678-845-7521 or visit our website at nahairrestoration.com.